So do I.
Greetings, Earthlings. I come in peace.
Just kidding. Don't be alarmed. It's me. I just don't have any makeup on because I'm going to do my makeup right now. I thought it would be fun, interesting, maybe really boring to do a video where I use all of my current favorites and some holy grails. I wanted to do like a holy grail video, but some of my holy grails change as time goes by, and I don't try out enough makeup to have like monthly favorites, so this is going to be my current favorites and holy grails. So first, I'm going to start with the Tarte Poreless Mattifying Primer. The first time I tried this, I didn't really like it. I got it because it was on sale at Ulta. It kind of looks like the Smashbox one, but it's not as slippery. Now for foundation, this has been my favorite foundation since December. I'm on my second bottle. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation in Natural Beige. I love the way that it smells, and I apply this with my hands, which yes, it gets messy. Now, this is a holy grail. This is the Naked Skin. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Medium Light. This is my second tube. I've also gone through 2 travel size ones. This one's almost all empty. I need to get another one. Now my current favorite face powder is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Powder that I got the same time that I got my first tube of the foundation. Been using it every day. I've also been using the foundation every day. It smells so good. Now this is a holy grail. This is my favorite bronzer, the Tarte Park Ave Princess. Not the matte one. The shimmery sun-kissed one. I've already gone through a travel size of this. I have 2 more travel size ones and another full size one. So I'm good to go for a while. Now this is only as of recently a current favorite, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. Oh, look how pretty. Look how pretty it is. Now one of my favorite blushes is in this Tarte Blush Bliss palette. It's the first one right here, Genuine. This is full of glitter and I'm not entirely sure why. Can you see that? Blushes in here are not that shimmery. Now this is a holy grail. This is my favorite brow pencil. I have gone through probably 30, and I'm not exaggerating. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This one is in black. And my current favorite brow gel is the NYX Tinted Brow Gel. This one is also in black. Alright, now for eyes, I'm just going to do something really simple. First, I'm going to run just a little bit of this Huda into my crease. Now, I don't have a current favorite eyeshadow palette. Well, actually, if I did, it would be my Jaclyn Hill palette, but that's not what I'm going to use today. My current favorite eyeshadow is Frosted by Butter London, the Glazen Eye Gloss. This is so pretty. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I just put it all over my lid with my finger. It's just so simple for something so pretty. Now for a little inner corner highlight, I'm going to go back into the Amrezy highlighter. And now this isn't necessarily my current favorite or my holy grail, it's just what I have. It's the Urban Decay De-Slick. It smells really bad. I think it's gone off. Okay, so this is probably becoming my holy grail mascara, though I've gone through a couple favorites. I think this is it. This is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. This one is it's getting up there in age. I got this in December. This is the limited edition design. Now this mascara does transfer up here throughout the day, but it makes my lashes look so good, I don't care. Not bad, huh? Oh, my lips are so dry. Look at this. Favorite lipstick is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Bombshell. This one, it's very comfortable. It goes on kind of liquidy that I like because it goes like it's smooth, and then it's just the perfect color for every day. Also, I rarely find it transfer onto my teeth. Which, let's face it, is a terribly embarrassing thing to happen when your lips are so dry you can't even smile. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed watching me do my makeup with my favorite products. Let me know if you like any of these. Please like this video. Subscribe to my channel. My name is Meredith. Meredith Garvey. Meredith Garvey. Yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.